Hello, and welcome to KraftyLab, where teams connect through innovative and virtual experiences. Let's get crafty! Bring the happy hour home. This mixology experience will provide your team with a fun-filled hour of learning the art of mixing crowd-pleasing cocktails. Join our expert bartender as they step up to the virtual bar and help you create 3 seasonally appropriate drinks that are sure to impress. As you pour, shake, and stir, your team will naturally bond over conversation that is relaxed and facilitated by our talented mixologist and instructor. It's a refreshing way and delicious way to break and shake the ice while growing relationships on your virtual team. All of this fun includes a mixology kit with essential bar tools and mixers that will be sent directly to your participants' doorsteps. Please note, this is a BYOB, bring your own booze kit, but let us know if you want to level it up and we can always work with your needs. To secure your spot, click Book Now, schedule a call, or send us an inquiry. Cheers!